Welcome. If you want to change your nickname in Garena Free Fire Max, at first you have to tap on the left upper corner, and next when you are in the profile, we have to tap right here on this icon. And as you can see, when you are here, we can click on our nickname, and here we can input new nickname. Click OK to confirm, and then you have to tap on this blue button. But of course, as you can see, it's not free, so we have to pay for changing your nickname, and we have to get these diamonds. So in my case, I can just only top up my account with diamonds, and after that I will be able to make change. So unfortunately, I'm not going to make it, but if you want to change your nickname, you have to make the top up with diamonds, and then you will be able to change your nickname. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.